In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter opening balance in Xero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Accounting up top, and you want to go to Accounting Settings down here at the bottom. Now, when you're in here, you want to go to Conversion Balances, where it says Update the opening balances of your accounts in Xero. So click on over here, and then the first thing you have to do when you're in here, you want to go and set your conversion date, okay? So over here, you want to make sure this date is set to the first day you want to start processing in Xero, okay? So any transactions prior to this date should be captured in your opening balance. So I'm going to go to conversion date, and then over here, what you want to do is just set it to a date you want. So I'm going to go, let's just do March 2026 right now, and I'm going to click on save, okay? Now, whenever you do this, that's the first thing you have to do. And then down here, you can see you have other options as well. So the second step you have to take is to enter the balances. Now, you want to click on plus add new line over here, or of course, you could also do show all accounts for all accounts to be shown over here, just like this, as you can see. So it's completely up to you. And then this will reveal your chart of accounts over here. Now you have to enter your asset and expense amount as debits. So over here, for example, are going to go enter, of course, are going to go the expense amounts and assets. For example, I'm going to do like 1,000 over here. And I'm going to do like, let's just do like 150 over here just for an example over here. And then, of course, liability, equity, and income amounts are basically credits based on your closing figures from your previous system, okay? So I'm just going to put some credits over here, for example, like that, and some over here as well, okay? So this is just an example. Of course, you're working with your own data, so make sure you actually put in the correct numbers. Now, whenever you've done that, you can then go ahead and basically verify everything and just click on the save button, and that's all you have to do, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.